In this video I am going to show you how to use Lambda function instead of defining function using def. Let's see how to do it. First I define a problem and then explain how to use Lambda function for that. The problem is we have a function called ageFinder, which should have two arguments. One is birth year and the other is current year. What we want to do is find the age of a particular person by taking these two values. To do that, here I define a function called ageFinder and put our two arguments, birth year and current year. Here I create a new variable called age, which equals current year minus birth year. You all know it must be the person's age. And then simply return age. I'm going to run this cell, and to make sure it's working correctly, I'm going to say here, print ageFinder, which is our function, and then here I'm going to type in birth year equal to 2003 and current year equal 2022. If I run this cell, it will print the actual age of the specified person. Let's see how to do the same task with our Lambda function. To do that, here I create a variable called Lambda ageFinder. Then call the Lambda function by typing Lambda. Make sure the spellings are correct. Here we want to put what arguments we want to use to calculate the age. In this case there are two arguments, one is the birth year and the other is the current year. So here I am passing those two arguments, birth year and the current year. Okay, arguments are passed successfully. So now we need to calculate the age using those arguments. To do that, here I put a colon. Don't miss this colon, it's important syntax when we use Lambda function. If you miss it, you will definitely get a syntax error. Okay, then here type the formula you want. So here I type, current year minus birth year. From now on don't treat this Lambda ageFinder as a variable, it's now a function. Then simply run this cell. So here I say, print, Lambda, ageFinder, and then pass values to these two arguments. So birth year is equal to 2003 and current year is equal to 2022. If I run this cell, here is the same response. Is 19. Not only can we use arguments here, we can also use parameters. Let's make this current year a parameter. Because it doesn't change for every person, so to parameterize it, here say, current year is equal to 2022, like this. Now you don't need to use this 2022 every time, so I remove it. And then if I run this, the output is same. Here we can use not only mathematical functions, we can also use if-else statement, list comprehension, and so on. So here I'm going to use a if-else statement in this Lambda function. So to do that we need to use if-else statement in a single line. If you don't know how to use if-else statement in a single line, don't worry, I have put a video on it. Check that video first and come back to this tutorial. The condition is if the age is greater than 25, the Lambda function should return eligible. If this false, it should return not eligible. First of all I'm cover this operation by parentheses. Then if the age is greater than 25, then return eligible, else, return not eligible. Simply run this cell. Also run this cell. There we go, it's print not eligible. But if I change 2003 to 1935 or something like that, the output will be eligible. Well, I have shown an example for if-else statement. Here I have an exercise for you. The exercise is here I have a list of birth years. What you want to do is return the age for each birth year in this list, by using list comprehension and Lambda function. If you don't know how to use list comprehension, please check the card, I attached that video on it. And share your code through the comment section. Doesn't matter it's correct or wrong, just put your answer. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.